So now I'm going to show you how this firefighting robot works.
Hi, this is a robot that can play the dinosaur game and that I made.
This is an automatic railway crossing. When the railways come near it, the barrier will automatically shut. And when we go, it will always shut. And when it will pass away, it will open.
Forward, backwards, top.
I have made a project. Nowadays, the coronavirus is spreading on common surfaces. I have made a smart water dispenser. Now, to show your hands near it, it will automatically sense my hands and the water will flow automatically.
Hi Neil.
My name is Jagmohan and I'll be your robotics trainer.
Before we start the class, so what do you understand by robot?
Do you like robots?
Yes.
They are machines that help us make life easier.
A voice command robot, anything I say it will do. Sun is setting now. Now it's dark. Sun is rising now. Now it's bright.
Okay, so now you can click on the green flag. Let's see what happens. Okay.
Oh, it worked!
It worked. Very nice.
Sensor 0 is 740, that is digital 13, digital 12. So digital 13 and digital water.
Okay, then which is the left sensor?
Hey guys, this you are saying is an automatic dustbin.